Top 5 programming languages and their libraries for machine learning. Computer programming has become a vast growing field in computer science that need tools such as enhanced libraries to enhance functionality of each programming language. Machine learning, on the other hand, enhances machines with the ability to learn autonomously based on observation and analysis within a given data set without specific programming. Machine learning is one of the fastest growing fields which has witnessed an exponential growth in the technical world. For more updates on computer programming, data science, and tech trends, subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the notification button. Also share your thoughts in the comment section. These are the top 5 programming languages and their libraries for machine learning. Number 1. Python. Python leads all other programming languages, with more than 60% of machine learning developers are using and prioritizing it for development because Python is easy to learn, scalable, and open source. Python has many awesome visualization packages and useful core libraries like NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, sklearn, which really makes your work very easy and empower the machines to learn. For the libraries for Python, which are wonderful for machine learning. A is NumPy. Numeric Python, or NumPy, is the linear algebra library for Python with powerful data structures for efficient computation of multi-dimensional arrays and matrices. B. Pandas. Pandas is the most popular library which provides highly optimized performance for data analysis. So if you're very wonderful with data analysis using Python, you notice that Pandas is very, is up there. And for number C is Matplotlib. This Matplotlib is a popular plotting library or Python plotting library used for creating basic graphs, like line charts, bar charts, histograms, and so many more. D is Seaborn. Seaborn provides a high-level interface for creating attractive graphs. And number E is sklearn. It is used for data mining and data analysis, which implements a wide range of machine learning algorithms like classification, regression, and clustering algorithms, including support vector machines, random forest, gradient boosting, and k-means. Number 2 is Java. We all know Java as a powerful programming language, and it's sometimes called jack of all trades and continues to dominate over in the machine learning industry also. But Java provides many good environments like Weka, Lime, RapidMiner, Elker, which used to perform machine learning tasks using graphical user interfaces. And A is Weka. So under the libraries for Java, I'll start with A, which is Weka. Weka, it's a free portable library which primarily is used for data mining, data analysis, and predictive modeling, and best used for machine learning algorithms. It is easy to use with a graphical interface and supports several standard data mining tasks, including data pre-processing, classification, clustering, and feature selection. Another Java library is B, Java ML. A Java API with simple and easy interfaces to implement the collection of machine learning and data mining algorithms in Java, with clearly written and properly documented implementation of algorithms. These are what Java ML possess. And C is Deep Learning 4J. Deep Learning 4J is an innovative open source distributed deep learning library which provides a computing framework with wide support for machine learning algorithms. This library is extremely useful for identifying patterns, sentiments, sound, and text, and is designed especially for business environments. And D is Elkey. Elkey is a unique open source data mining framework which mainly focuses on the independent evaluation of data mining algorithms and data management and emphasize in the unsupervised methods. Elkey is also, it allows arbitrary data types, file formats, or distance or similarity measures. And the third programming language on my list is C++. You know, C++ is a super fast programming language and is also very popular in the field of machine learning. The powerful language gets supported by most of the machine learning platforms. If you have some good knowledge or working knowledge of using C++, I mean, it's a pretty good idea to learn machine learning using C++. It is much efficient, you know, compared to most programming languages. C++ have many powerful libraries such as Tensorflow and Torch implemented in C++ programming language. So machine learning and C++ is truly a great combination. Some of the libraries for C++ for machine learning are Tensorflow. Tensorflow is Google's OpenAI source, you know, and it's used to do, you know, numerical computations on any CPU or GPU using data flow graphs and making decisions with whatever information it gets. B is TouchFlow. It's called Torch. Torch is an open source machine learning library which makes scientific and numerical operation easier by providing a large number of algorithms. It makes for easier and improved efficiency and speed. Then the C, number C is called MLPack. MLPack is a super fast. When I mean super fast, is a flexible machine learning library which provides fast and extensible implementations of cutting-edge machine learning algorithms using C++ classes, which can be integrated into a larger scale machine learning solution. And number 4 on the list of the top 5 programming languages and the libraries for machine learning is R. R is a very popular programming language, for statistical computing, analysis, and visualizations in machine learning. R is a perfect graphics-based language for exploring the statistical data via graph vastly used by data professionals at Facebook, Google, and so on. Though R is highly preferable in bioengineering and biomedical statistics, it is also popular in implementing machine learning like regression, classification, and decision tree formation. These are the libraries, on the R for machine learning. A. XGBoost. XGBoost is used for implementing the gradient boosting framework and is popular for its performance and speed. It supports various objective functions like regression, classification, and ranking, and is extensible so that you can define your own objectives easily. B. MLR. MLR is an extensible framework for classification, regression, and clustering problems, and has easy extension mechanism through S3 inheritance. C. We have Party. This package is used for recursive partitioning. Party is a package used for building decision trees based on conditional inference algorithm. This package is also extensively, and it reduces the training time and bias. And for D, we have Carrot. Carrot is a package developed to combine model training and prediction for several different algorithms for a given business problem and helps to choose the best machine learning algorithms. And finally, but not the least, is JavaScript. Number 5 is JavaScript because it's one of the most widely used high-level and dynamically typed language, which is flexible and multi-paradigm. JavaScript is also very popular in machine learning than that high-profile projects like Google's Tensorflow, .js are based on JavaScript. If you are a master of JavaScript, then literally, you can do everything from full stack to machine learning and NLP. For the libraries for JavaScript, which are wonderful for machine learning, are A. Brain.js. Brain.js is a GPU-accelerated, easy-to-integrate neural networks in JavaScript, which is used with Node.js in the browser and provides multiple neural network implementations to train to do different things well. It is also simple to use that you do not need neural networks in details to work with this. B. Tensorflow.js. It is a popular library for machine learning in JavaScript. In Tensorflow.js, you can build and train models directly with JavaScript using flexible APIs, and almost any problems in machine learning can be solved using Tensorflow.js. You can also retrain the existing ML models using your own data. C. Machine Learning.js. Machine-learning.js is the savior of JavaScript, which is a replacement of Python's skitlearn library. Machine-learning.js provides clustering, decomposition, feature extractions models, and utilities for supervised and unsupervised learning. D. FaceAPI.js. FaceAPI.js is a ready-to-use API which includes implementations of well-known face detection and recognition models which are pre-trained with a wide variety of datasets. FaceAPI.js gives you the flexibility to directly plug into any Node.js and browser environments. Being lightweight, this library can be used on both mobile and web browsers with no issue. Among these programming languages, Python remains the most popular in the field of machine learning, though languages like JavaScript are the rising star and over time may get to the top. If you enjoyed this video and you're very intrigued and certain that you've now understood the top 5 programming languages and their libraries for machine learning, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more data science programming videos. Thank you for watching. Interested in your career growth in data science? Visit DataCatchup.com. Also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more data science videos.